In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily disable or enable the touchscreen on your Chromebook. Please note that this process requires that your Chromebook has a touchscreen. Let's get started. Open your Chrome browser and type Chrome /lags into the address bar. You can find this information in the video description if needed. Press enter, and this will open a new window called Experiments. In the search bar within the Experiments window, look for debugging keyboard shortcuts and make sure it's enabled. Then click on Restart to reboot your Chromebook. With debugging keyboard shortcuts enabled and your Chromebook restarted, you can now easily turn the touchscreen on or off using a keyboard shortcut and hold down 3 keys simultaneously: the search button with the magnifying glass, the shift button and the T button. When you do this, a pop-up will appear on your screen confirming whether you've disabled or enabled the touchscreen. That's it. You've successfully disabled or enabled the touchscreen on your Chromebook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you're interested in more Chromebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you ever need to re-enable the touchscreen, simply use the same keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the search button, the shift button and the T button simultaneously. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have a Lenovo Chromebook or any other Chromos device with a touchscreen, you can follow these steps to disable or enable the touchscreen function easily. If you've had issues with your touchscreen behaving erratically, this method can help resolve those problems. To sum it up, open your Chrome browser and enter Chrome /lags in the address bar. Look for debugging keyboard shortcuts, enable it, and then restart your Chromebook. To disable the touchscreen, press and hold the search button, shift button and T simultaneously. To re-enable it,